There's an airdrop I've been on for some time now, and I've been skeptical to share it with you people because I don't know, airdrop these days have been somehow. But if it goes well, we are going to benefit from it together, and if it goes bad, we are going to take our L and move on. So the name of the project is NovaEX, and I'll be showing you how you can get started with it. All you need to do is just register. There's a link I'll drop in the description of this video, or I'll put it in the comment section. Copy the link, go to your Chrome browser. When you get to your Chrome browser, you can either download the application on your App Store or download it on your Play Store. Then you continue with it. You're signing with your username and your password. Let's get into the tasks that you have to do. So you can see right here, the discover. If this is your home page, this is how your home page will look like. Then this is how the discover will look like. So there are some tasks for you that you can do. So the first one, I'll go to Telegram. You can see the number of participants, and go to Telegram, join the community. Join the community. I'm just waiting for it to confirm. Okay, I've joined the community. Subscribe to our official channel. So I'll have to subscribe to this official channel. We'll have to wait a little bit for it. I think it's the same channel that I asked me to subscribe to. So I'll have to screenshot this channel that I subscribe to. Make sure that you screenshot it. So I'm screenshotting it. Now we'll go back. The same channel that I subscribed to before, I'll also screenshot this. Then I'll go back to this by proof link. Okay, let me copy this link, then drop it there. This is the link I copied. Yeah, that's the link. So I'll just input the screenshots I took. I will input it, then the submit for review will pop up. It's going to pop up very soon. So I'm expecting it to come up very soon. So whenever the submit for review comes up, I'm going to submit it for review. So that's how you can do tasks in this platform. There are some tasks here that you will do. See others, and there's also AI in it. So you can just play with the application, play with it and see what you can get out of it. So currently I have 642,000 NEX. So it's good, yeah. Let's see if something good come out of it. Then you can invite your friends. So when you come here, you want to invite your friend, copy your code or copy your link, send it to your friends and let them join. You won't want to keep this good news to yourself. You won't want to keep it.